Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. In today's video we will talk about human lung anatomy. The human lung anatomy consists of two main parts, the right lung and the left lung. Here are some key details. Right lung. The right lung is larger than the left lung and is divided into three lobes, the upper, middle, and lower lobes. It is further divided into segments, each served by its own bronchus and blood vessels. Left lung. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung and has two lobes, the upper and lower lobes. It also contains bronchial segments, similar to the right lung. Bronchial tree. The trachea windpipe divides into the right and left primary bronchi, each leading to its respective lung. These primary bronchi branch into smaller bronchi and bronchioles, which carry air deeper into the lungs. Alveoli. At the end of the bronchioles are tiny air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli are where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place, allowing for respiration. Blood supply. The lungs receive blood from the pulmonary arteries, which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Oxygen is picked up in the alveoli, and oxygenated blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins. Pleura. The lungs are surrounded by a double-layered membrane called the pleura. The inner layer, visceral pleura, covers the lung surface, and the outer layer, parietal pleura, lines the chest cavity. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a muscular sheet beneath the lungs that plays a crucial role in breathing. When it contracts, it flattens, creating a vacuum in the chest cavity, which draws air into the lungs. These are the fundamental elements of human lung anatomy, essential for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide during the breathing process.